Hello, everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wanted to model something in Blender, but struggled to find decent or even any reference images for it? I certainly have. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own perfect blueprints and reference images for any project you're working on. The tools we'll be using today are Google Flow and the Nano Banana Pro model. You'll find a link to the platform in the description below. Once you are on the Google Flow website, click Create with Flow. Start a new project. In the top left corner, you have options for video or images. We will select Images. In the Options tab, we can choose between landscape or portrait mode and set how many images we want to generate. Let's leave it on 2 for now. For the model, I will select Nano Banana Pro. Now, it's all about typing in the prompts. Simply put, better prompt equals better results. Let's type in our first prompt. Create low-poly version of Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. Click Create Image and let's see what happens. It will take a few moments to finish processing. All right, we've got 2 nice low-poly images of the Golf Mark 1. I like the left one. It looks more suitable for modeling. Now, let's continue refining the prompt. I want to specify the views we need. Create reference image, side view, front view, back view, and top view. We got this. Not bad at all. Next, let's ask for the mesh to be visible, with visible mesh. Okay, while this is neat, in our modeling reality, we're dealing only with quad topology, right? So let's specify, make quad mesh. And voila! We have a low-poly blueprint with a visible quad-based mesh. What a strange time we are living in. Now, let's remove the background and render the image in a blueprint style. If you want this specific paper blueprint look, this is perfect. But let's return to this previous image and make it the best option for a Blender blueprint. We'll remove the color and give it a black background with a white outline. Let it process. And voila! We have a clean, precise blueprint ready for our project. Click on Download to grab your image. If you ask me, this looks more than okay, but we're not going to stop here. Let's try to generate the interior. Type in the prompt. Make low-poly reference image of Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 interior. Okay, we got something, but that's not quite what we want. Let's try refining it. Remove exterior, leave only low-poly interior with visible mesh. Okay, not bad. This will be useful for sure. Let's go back and combine those ideas into one focused prompt. Create low poly interior of Golf, make interior full visible with mesh, and make body of the car invisible. We'll wait for the result. Not bad, not bad at all. From here, we can start segmenting the interior. Try to isolate specific segments. For example, the seat segment. We'll do the same with the dashboard. Type in a prompt like this. Great stuff. Now, let's generate a blueprint of that dashboard. Awesome! The same principle applies to the doors, the wheels, and any other component. And just like that, we have everything we need to make this Golf model look super awesome in Blender. I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more content like this, and if you want to learn exactly how to model low-poly cars in Blender, go check out the channel. There's plenty of content on that topic already. And please, hit that like, share, and subscribe button to support my work. Thank you for watching. This is 7 Gray Cubes, and I'll catch you in the next one.